Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back for, I think it's week 8 or week 9 of the 6-week house flip. As you can see, we are way behind schedule. But we just got to keep it moving, keep things flowing, keep it going. One thing about flips, it's always going to take longer than you think, and it's going to cost more than you think. So I'm about to give y'all the walkthrough to see where we at. I like to do weekly updates to keep y'all posted. If y'all new to this channel, my name is Jay Nacombe. Flipped over 200 properties in the past 7 years, and this is the latest project. Let me flip this around. So as you can see, they started to put the floors in today. Painting is done. Painting came out nice. This flooring is looking good. So we're making progress. Flooring is looking real good. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. This looks real clean. Alright. So, flooring is looking good. We should finish this by tomorrow. I'm gonna order the cabinets to come in Thursday. Set the cabinets up. Have that ready to go. Let's see what we got in the basement. Oh, it's dark down here. The flashlight. I don't know if y'all could see, but we painted the ceilings black, painted the walls that nice beige tan color, and we framed the sump pump in that closet. We framed out this back room here, so this is gonna be open. We're gonna have the washer and dryer in that corner, and we got this bathroom that we gotta finish painting and putting in fixtures, but we already got the tile in, so that's good. And yeah, we looking good. So far, so good. I think we about like a good 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half out until we hit the finish line. We got the doors to trim. Now we're doing the flooring. This should be, I would say, done by this week. So this vinyl plank is gonna be on this first floor and the basement, right? Then we're gonna hit the stairs and we're just gonna run carpet all the way up. We're gonna run carpet all the way up, all the stairs and all the bedrooms. And the hallway is gonna be carpet. As far as the paint color choices, I did the nice tan color, and then the doors is gonna be black on black. So he painting the hinges right now. We're gonna have black hinges and black fixtures, black on black. I think it's gonna look fire. Nice strong contrast. You know what I mean? Black on black. We just gotta pull those HVAC vents up a bit so it's not being covered by the baseboards, because that looks crazy right now. So that's gonna be something we gotta touch up, but that's light work. And last but not least, the bathroom. So these towels been finished. It looks good. It's gonna be black shower fixtures. Vanity, I'm thinking about putting a brown vanity there and a black mirror and a black vanity light to try to tie in to the rest of the colors. But yeah, like I said, we like a good 2 weeks out. So we looking good. I like how our progress is looking. We looking real good. Like I said, same thing in the bedrooms. We gotta move the vents up a bit, so that way it's exposed and we could get some fresh air, fresh central AC in here. Gotta do that. But yeah, other than that, I like how we looking. I like how we looking. We looking good. We looking real good. We got, this morning I dropped off 27 boxes. They got 1, 2, 3. And how much more we got down here? I think we saw maybe, what is this? 6, 9, 10. So he ran through about half the boxes. More than half. 3/4. We started off with 27, we got 10 left. So he pretty much moving and grooving. All right. So I like what I see. I like what I see. Just gotta paint the trim. Gonna paint the banisters black. It's gonna look fire. I'm looking forward to this finished product. Should be on the market very, very soon, y'all. Stay tuned. All right. So that's pretty much the update for this week. If y'all like more of this content, feel free to hit the like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. How the project is coming out so far. Let me know any feedback. What would y'all do? You know, as far as color finishes. I'm trying to just do a quick contrast as far as light walls and then dark doors to hit that contrast. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.